As we all know that food plays an important role in the promotion of good health and prevention of disease. That is why it is so important to have kitchen gadgets and appliances that will make your cooking easier and more effective. In today's video we have combined 10 most essential kitchen gadgets and smart appliances for every home that will make your cooking easier, which you can buy today on Amazon or online.
If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for you not to miss any of our interesting videos. Without wasting up your time, let's get started.
Number 1. In-Sink Dishwasher. Number 2. Toaster Oven. Number 3. CHEFMAN Air Fryer. Number 4. Coffee grinder. Number 5. Mini Portable Black Personal Fridge. Number 6. Compact Coffee Maker. Number 7. Double Burger Press. Number 8. Quart Oven. Number 9. Grilling Skewer Set. Number 10. Grilling Tweezers GrandCHEF.
You enjoy this video, don't you? We would like to give you another interesting video for you to enjoy next. But before then, our team will be very happy if you can like this video and share with your friends on social media. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss other interesting videos like this. Look at your screen now to see 2 other videos we have picked for you to enjoy next. We love you.